Welcome to the Bluewater District School Board homepage for the Virtual Learning Environment, or VLE, also known as Brightspace. This video will show you various components of the virtual learning environment and help you become familiar with this new learning platform. We'll begin our tour of the virtual learning environment by first investigating the various components of our organization homepage. This is the Bluewater District School Board homepage for the virtual learning environment. In the upper left-hand corner, the icon My Home is found. This will be found on all course home pages within the virtual learning environment. When selected, it will return the user to this home page. This icon, often referred to as the waffle menu, will list all of the courses in which the student is enrolled. Clicking on the course will take you to that course. Clicking on the pin on the right-hand side will allow the user to pin or unpin the courses for easier access. The message alert button allows the user to compose instant messages or chats with one another. It also allows the user to create and compose emails to one another, which are sent within the virtual learning environment. Emails cannot be received from outside the VLE, nor can they be sent in. This is done for security purposes. The subscription alert icon will list all notifications that have been established by the user. More details about notifications can be found in a video under Continuous Learning on the Bluewater District School Board's website. The Updates Alert icon will list updates on various courses in which the student is enrolled. I'm logged in as any student today. When I click on any student, my name, I will see 5 options. The last option, I would like to remind people, is to log out at the end of each learning session. There's a profile page that I can update if I want to. My Portfolio is an assessment tool that some teachers may use. More details would be provided by your classroom teacher if you were to use My Portfolio. The notifications setting will take you to a page where you can register your email and/or SMS text number for instant notifications about activities within your course. And account settings lists a number of settings that can be altered. I would encourage you to look at, in particular for accessibility reasons, the font settings. You can adjust this to have larger font or smaller font depending on your preference. Thank you. Let's continue our tour of the organization homepage by directing our attention to the navigation bar. This navigation bar has 3 links, one to VLE supports, one to the Bluewater District School Board webpage, and one to the COVID-19 update found on that webpage. When this video is complete, I will add an additional icon and link here directly to the video. Every page within the virtual learning environment is comprised of components called widgets. This is the announcement widget. It allows the owner of the page to post important announcements for the users. This is the home page for the organization, and as such will have an organization message updated regularly. Your teacher will likely update their message on their course homepage regularly. The My Courses widget contains all of the courses in which the student is enrolled. Currently there are only 3 pinned to the taskbar. If I view all courses, I can unpin courses that I'm not necessarily using right now. When I exit that, I will now notice that My Courses widget has only one direct link. I can still access the other courses, but this makes it easier for me to navigate to the one course that I'm using all the time. I'm going to click on that course now. I've landed on the home page for my sample course 1920. You'll notice that the page is very similar to the organization homepage. The top title bar is identical. The navigation bar has changed slightly. The owner of this course or teacher has populated the navbar with a number of different links. You'll notice that the Learn at Home link to the Ministry of Education's Learn at Home program has been added, as well as a Learn from Home link, which contains a number of internet resources that have been vetted by Blue Water educators for you. This includes language links and math links. There is also a content link, which takes you to the content that has been loaded within this course. There's an announcement widget where the owner or teacher of the course has made announcements for the users and students to see. There's a content browser widget, which contains all of the content that has been loaded into this course, as well as a calendar widget of upcoming events, and an activity feed widget with postings by the teacher and comments afterwards by the students. Let's take a look at a course that's in development. This course, Sample Elementary Class 2019-2020, is currently being developed by the teacher. When I click on the Content tab, I will see the content that's been made available by the teacher for the students. Chances are there's a lot of content that has been hidden from the student because it's being developed by the teacher now. Please be patient while we continue our journey towards continuous learning in Blue Water. Thank you and stay safe, and stay positive as you venture into your continuous learning journey in the VLE.